Hello, as I can here to show you the starlight space coloring here. As you see, is that I went ahead and drew a picture of it's like a star. It's like you got the star, and then along with this is like two planets. It's like orbiting the star, and then like you got the M there. But so far as is with the starlight space is that I went ahead and color is that it's basically talking about towards it's like if anybody were to have that question about it's like what about the universe with other galaxies what's at the end of space or whatever you call it, but the kind of idea that I came up with is that it's like if you were to the satellite that was orbiting around here, it's like the satellites that say orbit around like say planet Earth is that explore take say designed to take pictures and maybe audio tape or whatever of different planets around the galaxy of the Milky Way. But then to explore other planets around within 400,000 light years or something like that away. And then it's like that a lot of times is that it's like if there's that question to where it's like if we know, it's like nobody really knows what's at the end of space, but it's like that. But my best guess is more is possible that it's a star, and then along right here is a star on a whole new is a universe. Universe with the star. It's like the main star that has its own planets. It has the own planets. So it's like you see the purple and then green. Say the mixture of purple and green, and along with the blue and then the red planet orbiting around the star. Kind of like this, and is for it's like universes. So far as the universe is galaxies of the many, is that I went ahead and color it as like drew the M along with the number of planets orbiting around the M. It's like so far as is for the many, so far as is for many galaxies, but of course it's like I don't know if really a planet. It's like a number of planets. It's like the number of planets is that I don't know if one of these would meet up with like Mars or Jupiter or whatever planet, but more likely that this planet right here may be like kind of related to Jupiter, but so far as is for the universe is that they have a satellite designed to where it would be able to explore different feeds. Is like the way I guess the way the satellite works is that it would have like these fields that would send out into space that would explore other planets, if there's any planets out there further into space. Far as we know, other than it's like the Milky Way, the galaxy of the Milky Way, but which I don't even know. It's like like if we all know, if any of us here know that the names of other galaxies, it's like if NASA ever gave other galaxies a name, such as the proper Proctor Macto or something like that, or a Psi Petrello or something like that. Maybe something named after Japanese or something like that. But so far as for other galaxies, is that I went ahead and drew is like that the way that outer way that space design, and it comes to right here to where it shows it's like that towards that you pretty much are that the new starts off with the new universe, the star orbiting with the planets, but then it's like I guess say that which I don't know about every universe, but about every galaxy. It's like about the universe, about every galaxy is that, if every galaxy has which is a sun related to a star or whatever. But so far as with these different planets, it's like you kind of pick out a star and maybe give it a name. But then so far as for a planet, which whatever planet, it's like which we all hear that there are billions, millions and billions, trillions or whatever planets, and then it's like with no names and don't know what the temperature is, don't even know if there's life on the planets, but it's like that you can't count them or whatever you call it. But it's like so far with for starlight space is that like you have a number of planets, and it's like let's let the stars do the exploring. It's like pick up is like you do pick a star, and then whatever star that goes north, south, or east, or west. It's like I'm sure that find our answer somewhere. But anyway, so far as starlight space, is you got that it's like the space, the star space right here. It's like say orbiting with its own galaxy. It's like for the planets orbiting around the star. It's like and look like pretty close to each other. It's like they would be about if anything maybe 20 light years or so away. But it's like with the different planets on the M for the galaxies on the many. But so far is for starlight space, and along with the planets, along with the star, and then along with the satellite, and then planet Earth is like, and so far is with starlight space, and then starlight space in color.